Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the closing ceremony of La LTLF, our Fiesta held by our very own Lyallpur Debating Club. Starting off things, it's said by Shakespeare himself that, "Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May, and summer's lease has all too short a date." I dedicate these verses of Shakespeare to all the participants who enthusiastically try to express their views either by reciting, writing, singing, or public speaking. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and congratulations that all of you have been successfully been able to hold your horses and control the excitement and the curiosity making adrenaline rush through your blood. And we are glad to announce that the platform where you displayed your amazing skills was Lyallpur Literally and Talent Fiesta by Lyallpur Debating Club. I, Abdullah Wahid, along with respected Aina Arman and Mr. Abdullah bin Faisal, welcome you all to the closing ceremony of this event on behalf of the Lyallpur Debating Club.
Today, the winners of the event will be announced, and mind my words, the winners of the event, not the winners of art, because art has no boundaries.
Let us begin with the holy name of Allah so that He may keep empowering and blessing us in the mission in which we are trying to bring forward the gifts He has given to His people. For the recitation, I'd like to invite Fatima Arman.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. Now let us move on towards our honorable jury. We have 2 to 3 judges for each category. We are really honorable and thankful for them to spare us time and be here in the closing ceremony with us. Our categories are number 1, Qiraat and Naat. Number 2, we have Declamations in both English and Urdu categories. Then we have our Youth Parliamentary. Number 4, we have our Music category, which includes the singing and instrumental play. And on number 5, we have the Writings category that includes articles, story, and poetry.
Pan, who and what art thou? He cried huskily. I am youth, I am joy, said Peter. I am a little bird that is broken out of eggs. We're really sorry that we are not able to announce the Qiraat and Naat categories winners, but the judges are Sayyid Talha Bukhari, Ms. Razia Teek, and Alhaj Hafiz Arif Sultan as our honorable judges.
Moving on towards the declamations, specifically letting out thoughts in our mother tongue. Yes, I'm talking about Urdu here. The adjudicators are Mr. Zuhaib Alam, Mr. Arsalan Haider, and Mr. Ajbad Ollah. And I would like to request our senior debater, Mr. Anis Islam, to join us and share his thoughts as well as the result in the Urdu category.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उर्दू डेक्लेमेशन बहुत ही मज़ेदार रहा ये कंपटीशन, और इसमें बहुत ही अच्छे डिबेटर्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया। मोस्टली न्यू डिबेटर्स थे, और मैं समझता हूं कि लायलपुर लिटरेरी एंड टैलेंट फीस्टा के ज़रिए ज़रूर नए टैलेंट को खोजने में हमें मदद मिली है और हमारा ये टैलेंट प्रमोट हुआ है। तो अगर इसके रिज़ल्ट्स की बात की जाए तो उर्दू कैटेगरी के अंदर 3rd पोजीशन हासिल की है। कराची से आपका ताल्लुक़ है और आपका मौजू खिताबत था अंधेरा खा ही ना जाए ये घर चिराग जला। आपका नाम है मलाइका कुरैशी साहिबा। मलाइका कुरैशी की 3rd पोजीशन थी। इसी तरह दूसरी पोजीशन जो थी वो भी उनका भी ताल्लुक कराची से ही था और उनका भी सेम टॉपिक था, अंधेरा खा ही ना जाए ये घर चिराग जला। आपका नाम था हुरिया नूर। हुरिया नूर आपने 2nd पोजीशन हासिल की है। और जो फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड पोजीशन थी, इसमें जो तीनों जजमेंट की जब हमने टोटल मार्क्स किए तो सिर्फ 1 नंबर का फ़र्क था। बहुत ही टफ कंपटीशन था। जो फर्स्ट पोजीशन हासिल की है उनका ताल्लुक इस्लामाबाद नमल से है। आपका भी मौजूद खताबत अंधेरा खा ही ना जाए ये घर चिराग जला, और आपका नाम है हमजा सलीम कियानी साहब। आपका भी बहुत ही अच्छा स्टाइल था, कंटेंट बहुत ज़बरदस्त था, अदायगी बहुत अच्छी थी, तो इस वजह से आप विनर ठहरे हैं उर्दू कैटेगरी के अंदर। ये थे हमारे रिजल्ट उर्दू कैटेगरी के रिलेटेड।
I'm so sorry, I had a slight internet issue. So are we done with the results of the Urdu category?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much, Anis bhai. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will get back to you and the judge as well. Now let us move on towards the declamations for the English category. Now the jury for the English category includes me myself, Abdullah bin Faisal, Mr. Abu Bakr, Mr. Muhammad Noman Riaz Bhatti, and Mr. Farhan Ahmed. So I would be sharing the results with you guys. Now let's start from the third position. Although the decision making was a very long process, we had to take in account the opinions of all the jury members and the students. All of them did really well. All the participants, everyone had their own point of views as well as their own styles. There was a great deal of things that we definitely need to give critique about and that the participants need to improve. But overall, it was a wonderful experience for all the jury and the team as well. So the third position goes to from the English serious category, and whose topic was "A Nation in Debt is a Nation Enslaved." From LGS Defense Islamabad, the third position goes to Zarrish Ahmed. Congratulations, Zarrish. Now, moving on towards the second position. The second position goes to a student from the English serious category whose topic was Life in the Days of Blood. She belongs to Divisional Model College, and the name of the second position holder is Zoha Zahid. Congratulations, Zoha. And if you please turn off your mic, I think there's a distortion. Yeah, thank you. Okay, moving on towards the first position. The first position, again, from the English serious category of the topic, Let's End This Worship of Caste and Creed. The first position goes to a student from the National Textile University, and her name is Fatima Rizvi. Congratulations, Fatima, for securing the first position, and to all the other participants who were part of the English category.
As the Urdu declamations were recently announced, the results were recently announced. How about we ask our respectable judges that are available with us to come up and give the critique to the curious children, the curious participants who came up here and did their best so that they could know what they did wrong or they could learn from this event. So I would request our respectable judge, Mr. Olak, to come up. And please give your critique, sir. The stage is yours.
जी हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं जनाब अजवद उमैर औलख साहब, और आप तकरीबन 100 से ज़ायद मुकाबला जात में कामयाबी समेट चुके हैं। पाकिस्तान भर में मुख्तलिफ इंस्टीट्यूट में आपने अपनी इस फ़न का जो मुँह बोलता सबूत बजरिया मुख्तलिफ पोजीशन हासिल किया। आप चीफ मिनिस्टर कॉम्पिटिशन्स में भी फाते रहे। सो सर काइंडली बताइएगा कि इस कंपटीशन के हवाले से बताइएगा, जो लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे کہاں کہاں آپ کو کمیاں نظر آئیں, کوتاہیاں نظر آئیں, اور کون کون سی ایسی چیزیں ہیں جو مزید امپروو ہو سکتی ہیں اوور آل تمام جو پارٹیسپینٹس ہیں ان کے لحاظ سے؟
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. جی انیس, سب سے جو خوبصورت بات تھی اس ایونٹ کی جو مجھے لگی وہ یہ کہ زیادہ ینگسٹرز, زیادہ بچوں نے پارٹیسپیٹ کیا, اور کچھ سینئرز نے بھی پارٹیسپیٹ کیا, لیکن بچوں کی بھی تعداد زیادہ تھی, اور جو مجھے بڑی اچھی چیز لگی. لیکن انیس, کرٹیکس دیتے ہوئے اگر میں بات کروں تو جب ہم تقاریر کیا کرتے تھے تو سب سے بری بات مجھے ججز کی یہ لگتی تھی, ویری سوری ٹو سے, کہ جب وہ ججز یہ کہتے تھے کہ نیا مواد لکھیں, کچھ نیا لکھیں, چوری نہ کریں, کاپی نہ بولیں کسی کا, تب یہ بات مجھے بہت بری لگتی تھی. اور مجھے یاد پڑتا ہے کہ میں اپنے دوست سے کہتا تھا کہ ہاں ہوں کی لکھ لیے نواں, جو ہو رہا ہے وہی لکھنا ہے, وہی بولنا ہے. لیکن ابھی جب سے ججنگ کرنے شروع کی ہے, منصف کے طور پہ اپنے فرائض سر انجام دینے شروع کیے ہیں, تو آپ یقین کریے اگر یہ بچے بھی سن رہے ہیں تو میں بچوں سے بھی ریکویسٹ کروں گا کہ اگر وہ خود کی ہی ویڈیو دیکھیں تو ان کو اپنے ہی ایکسپریشن سے نظر آئے گا کہ پتہ چل رہا ہے کہ اپنے الفاظ بھی بول رہے ہیں, آپ کے منہ کے ساتھ ہی آپ کے الفاظ نہیں بولتے. تو کوشش کریں, سب سے پہلے اور مین بات میں یہی بچوں سے کہوں گا کہ کوشش کریں کہ اپنا لکھیں. جب آپ اپنا لکھیں گے تو آپ کے اندر سے آپ کے جو ایکسپریشنز ہیں وہ ساتھ دیں گے آپ کے الفاظ کا. آپ اندر سے بولیں گے, خود اعتمادی سے بولیں گے, آپ کی باڈی لینگویج سے وہ جھلکے گا کہ آپ یہ کیا بول رہے ہیں اور کیا نہیں. اور معذرت کے ساتھ بچوں سے میں یہ ضرور کہوں گا کہ معلوم پڑ رہا ہوتا ہے کہ بچے جو ہیں ان کا اپنا لکھا ہوا نہیں ہے, اور بچوں کو کچھ ایسے الفاظ ہوتے ہیں جن کا بچوں کو مطلب بھی نہیں پتا ہوتا اور وہ بول رہے ہوتے ہیں. آپ اپنا لکھیں. اور دوسری بات, گراف انیس, اگر آپ ان میں بچوں میں دیکھیں جو پوزیشن ہولڈرز بھی ہیں ان میں بھی گراف جو ہے نا اس کا بہت زیادہ انہیں خیال کرنا چاہیے, اس پہ اپنی ورکنگ کرنی چاہیے. اور اس کے بعد آپ کا تلفظ, اگر بچہ جس نے غلط اس کا غلط بھی غلط, تو یہ چیزیں بہت زیادہ غور کرنے کی ضرورت ہے. اور ہاں, ابھی ان بچوں کے لیے میں اتنا ہی کہوں گا کہ ہاں اتنی ہی بہت اچھی بات ہے کہ انہوں نے, یہ سارے ونرز ہیں, ایٹ لیسٹ یہ بہت سو سے بہتر ہیں جو بول نہیں پائے. اور میں ایک بات آپ کی وساطت سے ضرور کہنا چاہوں گا کہ آپ کا پلیٹ فارم ان بچوں کو ضرور 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 ان ٹچ رکھے اپنے ساتھ. ہاں, اگر کہیں پہ کسی کو بھی کوئی مشکل آتی ہے تو میں ایک سینئر کے لحاظ سے, ایک بھائی کے لحاظ سے میں ہمیشہ حاضر ہوں. اور ان بچوں کو, یہ بچے سارے ڈیزرونگ اور پوزیشن ہولڈرز ہیں, کوئی ہاں ایک آدھے نمبر کے فرق سے کوئی آگے یا کوئی پیچھے نہیں رہ جاتا, پوزیشنز میٹر نہیں کرتی. جہاں بھی جس کو بھی کوئی بھی قسم کی مدد چاہیے, آپ کا پلیٹ فارم یقیناً اس کو مدد کے لیے فراہم ہونا چاہیے. اور اس کے ساتھ میں آپ کے ساتھ آپ کی وساطت سے ان بچوں کے لیے ضرور ضرور حاضر ہونے کی کوشش بھی کروں گا اور حاضر ہوں بھی. تو دیٹس آل فرام مختصر سی کرٹیکس یہی ہے. اور بہت سی اسپیکٹس ہیں جن میں بہت زیادہ محنت کی ضرورت ہے, تو یقیناً وہ بچے رابطہ کریں گے تو پھر ہم ان کے لیے مزید بہتری کے لیے کام کریں گے مل کے انشاءاللہ. اللہ تعالیٰ حفظ و امان میں رکھے. دیٹس آل فرام مائی سائڈ. السلام علیکم.
یہ تھے اجود الگ صاحب جو ہمیں بتلا رہے تھے کہ ہمارے نوجوان ٹیلنٹ کو اپنے الفاظ بولنا ہوں گے تبھی ہم کامیابی حاصل کر سکیں گے. اور آخر پر وہ جو بات کر رہے تھے, اگر اس کا خلاصہ بیان کروں کہ باہمت لوگ کبھی ہارا نہیں کرتے, یا وہ جیت جاتے ہیں یا کچھ سیکھ جاتے ہیں. اور میں انشاءاللہ العزیز پر امید ہوں کہ جتنے بھی پارٹیسپینٹس ہیں جو ہمیں لائیو دیکھ رہے ہیں, جنہوں نے اس ایونٹس میں پارٹیسپیٹ کیا ہے, اور یہ جو ججز کی مختلف آراء لے رہے ہیں, وہ ضرور کسی نہ کسی لحاظ سے فائدہ حاصل کریں گے. اور یہی کمپٹیشنز کا مقصد ہوتا ہے کہ آپ میں جو غلطیاں ہیں ان کو ریموو کیا جا سکے اور امپروومنٹ کی جانب کچھ نہ کچھ اقدامات اٹھائے جا سکیں. अजवद उमैर साहब मेरे भी उस्ताद हैं और मैंने भी इनसे बहुत चीज़ें सीखी हैं और अब टिल सीख रहा हूँ। इंशाअल्लाह अज़ीज़ हमारी ये जो नर्सरी है इसी तरह रवा दवा रहेगी अगर हम लोग अपने जजेस का, अपने सीनियर्स का और अपने टीचर्स की रिस्पेक्ट देंगे और इनसे उनके तजर्बे के लिहाज से कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें सीखते रहेंगे। जी अब्दुल्ला बिन फैसल साहब।
अनीस भाई सच्ची में सुनहरी अल्फाज थे आपके, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा। और हमारे इस तकरीर के शुरू में भी अब्दुल्ला बिन फैसल मेरे प्यारे भाई ने यही बोला था कि हम जो अनाउंस करने जा रहे हैं, हम एक तकरीर के विनर अनाउंस करने जा रहे हैं। हम उस फन के विनर और या उस फन के जो महारत है हम उनको नहीं अनाउंस करने जा रहे, क्योंकि जो फन है उसकी कोई बाउंड्री नहीं है। जो फन है वो लातादाद और इनफिनिट कह सकते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ पे प्रेजेंस और एग्जिस्टेंस रखता है। Well, with that, moving on, there's a special performance for all of you tonight. One of our finalists of the singing category, Miss Soha Paracha, was able to get the distinction of singing in this closing ceremony. And with that, I would like to call upon Miss Soha Paracha to come here and, I don't know, astonish us with her words or her fabulous voice. Miss Soha Paracha, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Abdullah. The song I'm going to do is a song called Perfect by Ed Sheeran. I really love that song and it's just something very close to my heart. I hope you guys like it. I found a love for me. Oh, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a boy, says I'm beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Oh, darling, just hold me close. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, you heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight.
Well, that was a bravo, a fantastic voice, a fabulous song. Indeed, there are talents in many ways. Our nation, our youth is talented in many of the ways. And before we moved towards the singing, the melodious singing of Miss Paracha, we were there, we announced the English category, all right. And for that, one of our judges, our own Mr. Abdullah bin Faisal, is here with us. So I know that most of you are curious about the critiques, so I would ask Mr. Abdullah bin Faisal to give his critiques about the declamations, English declamations. Please do.
Sure, Abdullah, sure. I would go on with that. I would not be going for an individual critique because obviously we have announced the winners and we don't have all the participants over here. So let's go for a general critique. We first of all, as Anis bhai said and as the Urdu judge said, that uh, hard work always pays off, and once you're on the right track, once you've started learning from your mistakes, then initially and ultimately you turn out as a wonderful public speaker with your own style and your own way. So now moving on towards a few points that I noted out from the videos that I saw and the entries that I saw. First of all, I did notice that also was a problem in the Urdu category, that students have been copying material from the internet or from other good speakers. So over there, as far as my career is concerned, and as far as my coaches have guided me, you can copy material, but if you are so, if you're so reluctant to write material on your own, then you make sure that whatever material you take from other debaters or other speakers, you have to rephrase that in your own way, because there is always your own way you have to speak and your own material that you have to speak, because judges have been through so many students that whenever you repeat something from a previous debater, it clicks in their mind instantly. So first of all, they need to stop copying material from the internet and start writing their own material. Once you start writing your own material, you don't even have to memorize it, because when you write it with your own hand and with your own mind, it's already stored in your brain. So first of all, they need to stop copying this material. You can take quotes, you can take poetry, you can take other helping materials. That is totally fine and that is totally appreciated. Secondly, the graph thing that the previous judge discussed. You know, when you're at a music concert and or maybe at a DJ night, and if the DJ keeps on playing the same beat all and all over again, and there is no variation in the beat, you get bored of. People get bored of. So the variations are really, really important uh, in the music concert, as well as when you're speaking. If you don't have variations of your pitch, variations of pauses and plays, if you don't have that in your speech, then you cannot captivate your speaker whatsoever. So there's that. And then the third thing that I realized was the whole introduction thing that speakers still do. They introduce themselves, they do that, they give greetings and all, which is totally not required and recommended by the coaches and the judges. So that's the third point. Number four is that you need to say it, and then you have to mean what you say. ठीक है ना? Your expressions basically reflect what you're thinking. If you are not saying all that without understanding it, then there's no need of doing the speech in the first place. So whatever you are saying, you need to know the meaning and know the context of what you're saying. So that gives you the real emotions on your face, which plays a great role in captivating the audience and the jury, as well as making them understand and prove your point. So there's the fourth point. And then finally, what I would like to say is that we the basic aim, the basic motto of Lyallpur Debating Society, Lyallpur Debating Club, is not pull them down or give negative critique to the participants. We are all here for positive critique, because it is the job. Once you're part of the LDC family, it is our job and you are our voice, and we have to provide you the platform to improve your skills and all. So this critique is only positive, and you're only expected to learn out of all these things. As it wasn't a formal competition, we didn't have the days, we didn't have many other things that you may want to improve yourself. So we'll do that, inshallah, if Allah gives us the permission. But that's all for the English category. Now I guess we can move on with the articles category, I guess.
Yep, we can, and for that, I would suggest that Miss Aina should be brought up stage.
Okay, let us invite Miss Aina. You have the floor.
Okay, so now we are going to move on the writing category. It's not just about the article, it has poetry, it has stories and everything. So first we will introduce the judges for English writing category, which were Ma'am Myra Sajid, Mr. Abdullah Wahid and Hassan Najaz. So the first subcategory of English writing was short story, and the first position goes to me, Aina Arman. And the second position goes to Hafsa Rahman. Congratulations, Hafsa Arman. Now the other category.
Before you move on, Aina, before you move on, let me tell all of the audience that we don't have any restrictions for talent, all right? We don't have any restriction for or boundaries for people or selectiveness anywhere, or you might think of anything. Exactly, that's what our aim is. Lyallpur Debating Club is here to give a platform even to its own members. We ourselves are here to learn. We ourselves are here to give something to life to this world, so that there can be betterment, so there can be a better world. All right. I just had a thought to clear it up to our audience that it's just what it is. All right. We are just here for the betterment and our clear intentions. Miss Aina, please do continue.
Yeah, exactly. We're just here to promote art, simply. That's our aim. So the next category was article writing, and the first position goes to Arooj Fatima. Congratulations. The second position goes to Beenish Asif, and third position goes to Muneeb Zainab. So congratulations to all of the winners.
So for the Urdu category, we have the very honorable Mr. Tariq Hashmi, Sir Ahmed Said Iqbal, and Sir Shiraz Farooq. Now, moving on towards the positions. The first subcategory we have is the Urdu Adaria, and the second position goes to Aina Arman. Congratulations, Aina. And the first position in this category goes to Aima Saleem. So, congratulations, Aima, as well. The second subcategory that we have is the Urdu Poetry. For the Urdu Poetry, the second position goes to Miss Nuzhat Noor. Congratulations, Miss Nuzhat. And the first position goes to Aina Arman. Again, congratulations, Aina.
So now we are going to move on to the Youth Parliament, which was a very important part of our event. The committee directors of Youth Parliament are Mr. Rana Faraz Shahid, Mr. Fazil Ahmed Butt, and Mr. Shazal Shazad. We hope that the event was a source of relief for our debaters and artists people. Congratulations to all the winners and to all the ones who couldn't win, because you have accomplished something really big, bringing your talent to publicly and showing it to everyone.
Ladies and
Thank you, Aina.
gentlemen, you might think,
Yeah.
yep. Please,
Go
Abdullah,
on,
do
go on, Abdullah,
continue.
go on.
Abdullah. All right. I was just saying that, dear audience, ladies and gentlemen, most of you are young students. Even some of you might be older than me, my same ages. So there's a level of relatability, you might say, in our thinking, in our conditions, in our atmosphere. You know, the Generation Z reference that we are referred as. All right. And I would like to say that all of you might think that this was a short one, or you might all think that there was youth parliament wasn't announced, the Qiraat and Naat category wasn't announced. See, that's what there is about rising organizations. That's what there is about rising platforms. All right, it isn't just the management, it is all of you, each and every one of you that's watching this live, this broadcast right now, is a part of this movement. It's a part of a major cause, is a part of something different, something better we all are trying to do. And with that, I would like to say thank you all so much for listening to us patiently. We will be looking forward to your comments about this event. Sure, do comment. And I would just suggest one thing: if all of you have your own point of views, this is a good stage, a good thing for all of you to do. So each and every one of you seeing this live right now, it wouldn't hurt any of us, or it wouldn't do anything if we would just go and grab only 3 of our friends and ask them to come and join a greater cause. It's up to them. See, public speaking isn't necessary only for competitions or anything. Public speaking, giving up your point of views, it's used in your family arguments, not arguments, discussions. It's used in your daily basis school discussions. All right, these skills to provide your point, to give up or deliver your stance to anyone, anywhere, whether it's your mother, it's your father, it's a cousin, it's a teacher, or it's a big platform like a declamation. It's used in each and every stage of life, because you have to speak, you have to give your point of view. Due to which I would recommend all of you to go up and ask your friends and to join something that has been started by, even it was a group of individuals, but it will be a whole community, it will be all of us together. And with that, I would say, take care, you all. Goodbye. Allah
And
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.